I've been working on converting a VB5 program into Python. I'm not a Python programmer, but AI is helping out a lot. And I'm going to show you the part of the software I'm working on right now. It takes WAV files and converts them into DMX values to drive a servo. So I'm making this 4-track audio program using Audacity in order to test that code out. So right here I made these voices. This is the
Happy Halloween, everyone! And it's time for the trick-or-treaters. All the little kids will be coming here for candy.
Yes, they will be asking for candy, but we aren't going to ask for spelling bee.
What spell are we going to?
I kind of hurt my voice a little bit trying to make that witch's cackle and stuff. I just recorded my voice trying to sound like a witch, and then I used some effects to use the effects up here in order to raise the pitch and speed of the audio. And down here for the scary face, I decreased the pitch a little bit. And then I put some background music down here in track 3. And this 4th track, I just put some thunder audio in there. And then I exported that as a WAV file, a 4-track WAV file. You can make up to, well, I have a 8-track or 8-channel USB sound device in which it'll play back 8 audio channels. So I can make 8 audio track files and play them back in my program. So once I got this audio file made, then AI and I will kind of put together a little program that'll take these WAV files and automatically convert them into DMX values or bytes in order to drive a servo. So let's look at that now. Here's the latest. You just drag, well, yeah, it would be in the way. Okay, here you just drag your audio file onto the, and then you hit enter.
Happy Halloween, everyone! And it's time for the trick-or-treaters. All the little kids will be coming here for candy.
Yes, they will be asking for candy, but we aren't going to ask for spelling bee.
What spell are we going to cast on them?
Well, you get the idea how that works. And right at the start, it takes all the audio tracks that's in your WAV file and converts it into DMX values to drive a servo and prints out a separate file. That's what it's saying right here. And here you can see the text files with all the DMX values in it. Those are the values that are moving the mouths on the props. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video.